In this video, we'll visit Butte, USA, richest hill on earth. So we've made it to Uptown Butte, and what I'm going to do is show you some of the buildings around Uptown Butte, and while I'm showing them, I'm going to tell you about what we're seeing. So this is a pretty neat place to visit, and I highly recommend that you come check out Butte because I think this is an undiscovered gem in America. In the first part of our video, we're going to do a little drive around of Uptown Butte, and while we're driving around, I thought I'd tell you a little bit about the city. Butte, America, it's famous. It's a mile high, it's a mile above sea level, it's a mile deep, the mines go down a mile, and it's also the richest hill on earth because of all the mining activity that's here. So Butte's a very beautiful place, and right here we're driving up to an Anselmo mine, which is located at the top of this hill. As you can see from driving around Butte, when it was built in the 18 and 1900s, they spent a lot of money building these buildings. So right there, that was the original Hennessy's department store. Very beautiful building, and it was the building that had the only escalator in Butte at one time. Butte was built as a company town for the Anaconda Copper Company. It was also a very strong union town. Northeast of downtown is the Berkeley Pit. The Berkeley Pit was built by the Anaconda Company as an open pit mine, and it's right next to the uptown area of Butte. Luckily, they didn't tear down Uptown when they were building the pit. The Anaconda Company stopped mining in Butte in the 1980s. The town did have a decline in population, but it's steadied since then. But anyway, I think Butte's a beautiful town and has a lot of great architecture. We're going to park the car and get out and walk around. There are so many unusual buildings here in Butte, you just want to film them all, but that would take forever. So we'll just show you a few of them. But anyway, Butte has some really beautiful architecture. So a trip to Butte just wouldn't be complete without looking at the Hotel Finland. This is my favorite building in the whole city, so let's check this out. And that concludes our drive-in walking tour of Uptown Butte, Montana. So go ahead and click like, subscribe, and click the little bell to be notified of future videos. And once again, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch the video. I gotta watch where I'm walking because there's glass on the street. Anyway, thank you very much. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.